Welcome back. Tonight we have an incredible educational experience on a topic that is pertinent to all of us. Dr. Kerry Emanuel is here with us on Good Morning Vail today. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Great to have you. So you're speaking tonight at the Vail Symposium, and the name of the program tonight is Katrina, Sandy, and Harvey, Exploring the Relationship Between Climate Change and Extreme Weather. Obviously this year we've had some pretty significant hurricanes, some incredible extreme weather going on. And other than Katrina, Sandy, and Harvey, you're going to bring us right through modern day about some of the elements at play with climate change and how these systems are developing.
That's right. I mean, of the many ways that the Earth responds to increased greenhouse gas concentrations, one of them is in changes in the incidence of extreme events. And tonight we're going to focus on hurricanes, which are obviously a very damaging form of extreme climate event.
Yeah, wow. And this is your particular area of expertise, hurricanes especially, right?
Yes, I've been studying the physics of hurricanes since the 1980s. And in fact, in 1987, wrote a paper predicting that global warming would increase the intensity of hurricanes. And we're beginning to see that in the data now.
And that is coming, and that's turning into a reality in the modern day.
Unfortunately, it is.
Wow, and so what are some of the more specific components that are leading to these weather systems, that are building these and heading in that direction?
Yeah, so I mean, for example, hurricanes are a particular case. They're powered by the evaporation of seawater. And the more greenhouse gas you have in the atmosphere, the more evaporation you have to have, because it's the only way the ocean can get rid of it, the heat that's getting from the sun.
Sure.
So that's why we expect hurricanes to become more intense. And an even greater potential problem is that as you warm gas, like the atmosphere, it can hold more water vapor. And so that means that more water is going up into these storms and they rain more. And we saw that, for example, with Hurricane Harvey last fall.
Wow. And so we're understanding how these systems are developing and some of the factors at play. Are we also discussing and learning tonight maybe the response to how we're reacting to these scenarios and how we should move forward?
I hope we get into that in the discussion, because that's really important. How much effort do we put in mitigating the threat, that is actually trying to do something to stop it, versus just adapting to it? And if we're going to adapt to it, how? And that's very much a function of where you are, what kind of place you live, and what kind of threat you're adapting to.
Wow. And so you're at MIT right now.
Yes.
Teaching at MIT, or mostly research? What is your current
It's about
work
50-50. I mean, sometimes it's hard to make the distinction. Advising graduate students is all about research, but I guess you're teaching at the same time.
Yeah. So you're in Boston, and I heard there's a little bit more snow over there.
Yeah, I got on the airplane yesterday with 2 feet of snow on the ground. I came here, and where's all the snow? I should have brought my bathing suit rather than my skis.
Well, it isn't stopping us. Maybe we'll get you up on the hill regardless for a few turns. That's great.
I hope so.
So tonight's program is over at Donovan Pavilion at 5. Doors open at 5:30. The program's at 6 p.m. And also a couple of local experts, Kevin Trenberth and Kim Langmaid, are going to be joining you on this panel and in discussion. So should be pretty interesting to see maybe how some of these issues play a part on a local scale right here in the Vail Valley.
And we'll try to explore that.
Thank you, sir. Great to meet you.
Likewise.
We're going to head up to Ashley Prill, who's over on Vail Mountain.